Today we are cooking a delicious Austrian breakfast called Gröstl. Start by slicing an onion. One medium onion is more than enough, but if you want more onion you can chop a bit more. Then slice a few boiled potatoes. And these could be leftover potatoes, maybe from your dinner the day before. Then you need to melt a bit of lard and add some diced bacon, and we will fry the bacon until it's very nicely cooked. Next we will add the onion and fry it together with the bacon. Once the onion softens, we will add some salt and some caraway seeds and just give it a quick stir just to spread the caraway nicely. With the potatoes, it's best to fry them separately in a melted lard. As potatoes are quite high in starch, they tend to stick to the pan, so frying them in a separate pan just makes everything easier. Once they start browning at the bottom, you can just flip them and fry the other side. And once they are nicely brown from both sides, you can add the bacon and the onion back into the pan. And to finish the breakfast off, you can just fry an egg and put it on top. And of course, this is just one version of Austrian Gröstl. You could use other ingredients such as sausage or black pudding. Just enjoy.